You are going to love 2016 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, backup camera, power driver's seat, air conditioning, driver airbag, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defroster, power door locks, passenger airbag. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.